So I've already been using my mouth guard, and it comes with 4, so I thought I could go ahead and show you how to prepare it for your mouth. It suggests that you wash it. It actually suggests that you use antibacterial soap. And actually, just for good measure, I'm going to brush mine with paste. Alright, now it says to bring about 3 inches of water to a boil. Then take it off from the heat. Let it cease to boil. And drop your mouthpiece inside. And leave it there for about 15 seconds. Then you want to get it out and set it on a paper towel to dry, to cool. Then when it's cool enough, you're going to insert it into your mouth. Don't bite down. It says that when you put your mouth guard into your mouth, after you take it out of the water and let it cool enough, you put it in your mouth and purse your lips and suck on it until you get all the water and air out, and it should have indentations of your teeth. Then it tells you to rinse it with cold water. And wear it once more. It says fill a bowl with ice water. And then take your mouthpiece and submerge it in hot water for about 5 seconds. And then take it out. Your 4 fingers at the front. Now it says to quickly submerge it into the ice water and then put it into your mouth. So now my mouthpiece is ready, my night guard's ready. So maybe I'll stop grinding my teeth. It also comes with this nifty little case to keep your mouth guard in.